This is a food that nearly 90% of American youth love, but after seeing how it's produced, some might think twice. Early in the morning, workers head out to sea to harvest seaweed. Using a specialized net system, they pull the seaweed onto the boat. It's collected at dawn to keep it as fresh as possible. Once enough seaweed is gathered, the boat returns to port. The workers shovel it into large mesh bags, which are lifted onto shore by mechanical arms and loaded onto trucks bound for the processing factory. At the factory, the fresh seaweed is emptied into large water tanks. At this stage, it has a strong odor and a very slimy texture, so it goes through a cleaning and deodorizing process using industrial detergents. After that, the seaweed is pumped through pipes into a filtration system that removes metals and other impurities. It is then chopped and washed again. When fully processed, the seaweed is pumped into storage containers. Automated square mesh molds are prepared, and the seaweed is poured into them, so excess water can drain through the mesh. Next, the molds move through a drying chamber where the seaweed is carefully dried. Once dry, it is removed from the molds and carried by conveyor belt to the packaging area. Here, it is cut into smaller pieces, roasted, and labeled. The final product is crispy and flavorful, commonly used for making kimbap sushi or enjoyed on its own. After seeing the entire production process, would you still want to eat seaweed?